Ever since Tesla bought back my stainless steel machine, I've been going through the 4 stages of Cybertruck withdrawals. The first step, when I saw them out in the streets, I would say, oh, those are ugly. Who in their right mind will buy that thing? Ugh. So the next time I start seeing them, I will look at it and say, Fah! Then more time passed, I started looking at them and saying, ah! Until I got to the point where I was like, oh yeah, we getting another one. We got to get another one. Welcome back to the channel, whether you're a long-time viewer or a new subscriber. I appreciate every single one of you. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. And yes, it's true. They bought back 2 of my Cybertrucks. They were both lemons. And man, we got to get another one for the channel. I mean, I was feeling really bad about them all breaking down, and I kind of rushed and got a Model Y at the end of the year. And the Model Y is a great vehicle. Everybody knows that. Number one seller for a reason, but it's not a Cybertruck. And man, I leased it. It's a 3-year lease, and it's only March. And I got a long way to go, and my money's tied into that and other things. And I'm like, man, how on earth am I going to get another Cybertruck? So I went to ChatGPT, and they gave me 3 ideas. Number 1, partner with a brand. Partner with a brand, and they will, I will make content for them while making content for you. And, they will sponsor that Cybertruck, and it'll be their Cybertruck, essentially. I've seen other content creators do something similar. So that's one way, that's one approach. The second idea was come up with like a Patreon and, offer exclusive content and things like that, or membership platform here on YouTube that you guys pay for. You get, certain special content behind the scenes. You watch the whole story unfold. And that's a good idea too. And the third way was if I sold merch. And I got some merch ideas, but I'm like, dang, by the time I do the last 2 ideas, my lease gonna be up. So I might as well just wait right here and just get it after that. But I don't want to wait 3 years, and I know y'all don't want to wait 3 years. So I need your ideas. What can we do to help, earn that money? Which one of those ideas? If you think one of those are the best ways, let me know. If you have a different idea, let me know. But I want to make that work somehow, because I've just been thinking like, man, we gotta do this. And let's say that third Cybertruck is another lemon, whatever, right? It is what it is. But there's no way. I don't know. I'm not even gonna say that. Are you telling me a third Cybertruck gonna break down on me? Then it's a me problem again. And I don't even know. It's like, man, what's really going to happen? But I really want to see what happens over time. I was thinking about the Patreon or membership idea, and I was thinking like, I could have polls up on things you want to see, like different raps, different adventures, different styles, different content that you want to make. I know I can do that on X, but for some reason, I feel like the X audience and the YouTube audience are very different. I get more engagement here on YouTube. And speaking of engagement, like my Cybertruck videos are getting the most watch time. Right? The views aren't as high as some of my other videos, but as far as duration of time watched, you guys watch the whole thing. You're watching the whole story unfold, and that's cool. That shows me that you guys are like really down. You down for the Cybertruck on this channel, and seeing my experience and seeing what's happening. And also, my referrals. I'm still getting referrals for the Cybertruck, even though I went through all those troubles and all those issues. You guys still want them because you know what it's all about. You know what that truck's all about. There's no other vehicle like it. I'm just being real with you. Like, I love all my other vehicles, but there's nothing like Cybertruck out there. I miss Cybertruck, and I know y'all do too, man. But we need to do something, and it's gonna be, however we end up getting one, it's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be a channels. It's gonna be a channel Cybertruck. It's not gonna be my Cybertruck. It's gonna be for everybody, and I want to make the content that y'all want to see, because y'all really motivating me. All y'all saying that we need to get a third one, like, man, y'all motivating me. Y'all getting me going. And yes, I want to do it for me. My family loves it. People are like, check with your wife first. See with your family. My family love it. My wife was willing to put up with the issues in the second Cybertruck, and like, see if you can fix it yourself. See what you can work on. Don't give it up, because it's hard. And I'm gonna tell y'all something. My Cybertruck is still sitting in the front of the service center. People have sent me videos and pictures of it, and I went myself for an unrelated issue with my Model S, and I pulled it and I saw it, and I was like, man, that is sad. It ain't getting no love. It's just sitting out there, and it's just, man, no love at all. And I'm like, man, it's just sad to see, man. Tear drop. And I've heard other ideas like, reach out to Tesla, tell them, you bought two and you leased it. Can you trade in your lease? Like different ideas. I want to hear what y'all think. Like just spitball, throw all these ideas out there. I mean, this video is for you guys who really want to see another Cybertruck on this channel because you love the content, you love the Cybertruck, and it's also for those of you who love seeing me in pain. I know some of y'all out there, y'all want to see me in pain. Y'all want to see me get a third one and go through all the drama. That's all right, though. That's all right, though. It's a special place in my heart for you, too. You know what I mean? It's all love over here. Hey, let me know your ideas below. Let's do this. Let's figure it out. Let's brainstorm. Let's get another Cybertruck. Hey, I appreciate every single one of you. Y'all know what's up. And don't forget, Cobra's for you. Hey, I got y'all.